Welcome to the Bogart Effect, a wealthy wisdom podcast. Please see important disclosure information at the end of the presentation.
The other reason is if you're very philanthropically inclined or charitably inclined, NUA shares in almost every household, especially for somebody who's had a long track record with an employer. But NUA shares in almost every household are the most highly appreciated shares. They're long term. Those are fantastic shares to donate. I always tell households that have assets, I never want to see you writing checks to charities. Don't pay cash. If you have highly appreciated positions, donate the stock. If you really want to still own the stock, then use the cash that you were going to write the check for to buy the shares back, but you're going to buy it back at current market price and not have to deal with the capital gains appreciation. Charities don't pay taxes on capital gains, right? So I'll go back to use my example of the 105 share price with $15 a cost basis. We can give them that share. It's a $105 donation. You get the value of the 105 donation. You do not have to realize the $90 worth of capital gains. And if you really still want to own that stock, then take the $105, go buy back the stock at 105, and now your cost basis is 105. Net, same effect, right? So NUA shares are fantastic for anybody who's philanthropically inclined. Did I miss anything, Sydney?
I think you hit the nail on the head. The one other advantage that I'll kind of drive home.
The previous presentation by Bogart Wealth was intended for general information purposes only. No portion of the presentation serves as the receipt of or as a substitute for personalized investment advice from Bogart Wealth or any other investment professional of your choosing. Different types of investments involve varying degrees of risk, and it should not be assumed that future performance of any specific investment or investment strategy or any other non-investment related or planning services, discussion, or content will be profitable, be suitable for your portfolio or individual situation, or prove successful. Neither Bogart Wealth's investment advisor registration status nor any amount of prior experience or success should be construed that a certain level of results or satisfaction will be achieved if Bogart Wealth is engaged or continues to be engaged to provide investment advisory services. Bogart Wealth is neither a law firm nor accounting firm, and no portion of its services shall be construed as legal or accounting advice. No portion of the podcast content should be construed by a client or prospective client as a guarantee that he or she will experience a certain level of results if Bogart Wealth is engaged or continues to be engaged to provide investment advisory services. Copies of Bogart Wealth's current written disclosure brochure and Form CRS discussing our advisory services and fees are available upon request or at www.bogartwealth.com.